let's go.
Yeah. Gonna give it a tap, and hopefully she'll split. It's gonna be
All
really
out of his name.
Yeah.
So, oh,
Nerve-wracking.
nerve-wracking.
Nerve-wracking. Oh.
Nothing.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
It only went up the hill. Anyway.
Let's have a look. Wow.
oh, it just looks so beautiful.
Yeah, it is beautiful.
Oh, that is gorgeous.
Oh, look at the red.
Oh, stunning. That couldn't have gone better. That's just beautiful.
But he wouldn't have got those any other way.
Yeah.
And look at
Nice.
this honey top there.
And then it's running through the, yeah.
That's the part that tortures us.
Yeah. Well, that's why you can't judge a book by its cover. If that's not black, I'll eat my hat. That red at the end. It's just stunning. Oh. And the purple. Oh, beautiful. But that's very black, dark body tone. It's beautiful. It's stunning in real life. Just glows in the dark again. Sure does. This is a perfect example of Mother Nature at its best. It's raw and beautiful. Check this out. What? Oh, and it goes, you know, it just goes all the way around. And
It just
check
looks
that blue.
like glow in the dark stuff. I mean, I cannot describe it. It looks better in real life. It just knocks you right out.
Yeah.
And I couldn't cut it for love of me, but it is so beautiful, the colour. It's astonishing.
Just stunning.
A totally separate bar.
Okay. So where's it run, this bar?
Well, it's it running here,
Yeah.
and then clashing into
The end.
that one.
Okay.
I'm just going to give that one a tap.
It's gone, but where did it go?
Didn't go
Where we needed it
go.
to?
Yeah. Not going to give up yet.
Maybe? Yep. Okay.
It's nice to us. It's very nice to us.
Ooh.
There. Look at the purple and the pink.
Oh, my favourites.
Look how
Different it is from one side to the other.
it's two different bars all together.
Oh, amazing to get all of that out. I know, this is so
Please.